Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the Google option, and after you find it, tap on it, and here tap on accounts. As you can see here, we have a button that says add Google account. Tap on it, and you will see this message. Basically, we need to grab the phone that our watch is paired with. I'm gonna bring it here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Like this, move this to the side, grab our watch, and now on our watch we can tap on this icon right here. It will open the app on our phone or window, and here we can select the account you want to copy from your phone to your watch. I'm gonna select option choose another account and select this one. And once you select the account, it will start logging in, and you will need to wait a couple seconds and then enter the password to confirm that it's you. Then you can tap on next. And after that, the account should be added, as you can see. And that's how you add the account. To remove the account, you simply go to the Google accounts. You find the account you want to remove, and then tap on it, and then tap on remove account to remove it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the account will be removed. Okay, and that's how you add and how you remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.